Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you plain weave with pickup weaving. I have warped my loom with plain weave, and with these orange yarns I'm going to do pickup. Here you already see the pickup. The orange yarns go over 3 rows. Let me show you how to do this. I have just woven the row where the orange yarns are in the top layer. Now I'm going to switch layers. Put the shuttle in and beat. Then take the shuttle out again on the same side and put my finger in the shed opening. Then I'm going to find the place where the orange yarns are in the bottom layer. Open the yarns and I pick up the orange. Next yarn is between these 2 yellow yarns. See the orange yarn and pick it up. Now on this side, find the spot of the orange yarn, open it up and pull up the orange yarn. Here's the next one, open it up and pick it up. Then keep your finger in the opening, put the shuttle in, beat again and then pull through. Then you have 3 rows plain weave. And now you see that the orange yarns are over 3 rows. Let me show you the pickup one more time. Switch layers. Put the shuttle in, beat. Get the shuttle out on the same side and put your finger in the shed opening. Find the orange yarn in the bottom layer and pick it up. Open it again and pick it up on the other side. Open up, pick up the orange, find the next spot, open it up and pick up the orange yarn. So this is how you do plain weave with pickup weaving. Thank you for watching.